Hi everyone, so today we're going to be looking at the datetime program again, but we're going to be comparing it with how it works in IDLE and how it works in pycharm. So here we go. Okay, so basically this is the datetime program again. So today what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be comparing the results from this datetime program into this and seeing how it changes. So this is the pycharm version and this is the IDLE version. So let's start with the datetime.now one. So I'm going to take this away and run. So here I get the current date and the current time, which is 6:41 and then 44 point this many seconds. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. And I'm going to run and then save. So here I get the date, the time. So basically the difference between these two was that when I ran it after making a change, this one asked like, should I save the source or not? Meanwhile this one just ran it. Then let's go on to the next one. So here I get the current date, and then I'm going to run again over here. So here I get the current date. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this here, take this away, and okay. Yeah, so I got the current date. So now I'm going to do the last one, which says the current year, the current month, and the current day. So I'm simply going to take these two away, and then when I run it, I get the current year, current month, and current day. And then when I run, so wait, sorry, I forgot to. So I'm just going to take this away, take this away, take this away, and one here. So now when I run, so save it. So current year, current month, and current day. Now let's see what happens if I put in some random error that I, for example, made. So if I forget to close the parentheses here, so then as you can see, it gives like this red line here. And then when you hover above it, then it gives you what it expects. Meanwhile, if I make the exact same error here, then as you can see, there's no warning or anything. Basically, when I run it, then I save, and then it gives like this error over here saying that this was never closed, but it doesn't give the exact place where it wasn't closed. So it simply highlights over here that it wasn't closed, like where. Meanwhile, over here, if I run it, then it gives like this entire syntax error saying that it wasn't closed. But here, at least it gives me the line number of where like the error is.